Now let's install and access the epicSnap mobile web app. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. The epicSnap mobile web app is used for sending review requests manually. It also lets you include photos of the actual order, so customers can clearly see what was delivered. If you've set your review request to autopilot in your settings, you can still use the mobile app to add and send requests for orders that aren't part of your online store. Let's install epicSnap on your device so you can access it directly from your home screen. To get started, open the browser on your mobile device and go to epicSnap.com. If you're using Android, tap the three-dot menu in your browser. Then select Add to Home Screen. And then select Install App. And tap Install when the confirmation appears. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, open the Safari browser. Then tap the Share icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. You can rename the shortcut if needed, then tap Add. Once installed, epicSnap will appear on your device's home screen. Now open the app from your home screen to log in. Enter your shop phrase, which you created in the Settings section. If you'd like faster access next time, you can also check Remember this device. Then tap Login to access your order's inbox. You're now ready to start sending review requests from the mobile app. If you ever need assistance, just open the menu and tap Help Center. Epic is always ready to lend a hand. And if you'd like a walkthrough or need additional support, feel free to reach out anytime at support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help.